had broken alliances, and we had annoyed friends and foe alike. And in a very short span of time, we've become extremely relevant in our foreign policy. We've seen the past 2 years, and especially after the May war, I think that in these changing circumstances, Pakistan has played its cards right. And as you saw right after the attack on Doha, the Pakistani delegation was one of the first delegations to reach Doha and express our solidarity with the Qatari leadership. So I think Pakistan has not only played its cards right, but Pakistan has formulated a policy where we've had a lot of successes diplomatically. And this could not have been possible without the civil and military leadership being on the same page, and without that cohesion and that ideal working relationship that exists between Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Saeed Asim Ali. So I think it's also a result, a fruit of that cohesion and synergy that exists between institutions. And it's the stability at home which has enabled us to advocate our case very, very effectively abroad. And we see that a lot of other countries are desirous of improving their relations with Pakistan. And having said that, I think the way President Donald Trump has more than once praised Pakistan and praised the Prime Minister and the Field Marshal and mentioned those 7 planes time and time again. So, that's a point to ponder upon. And we've had a great visit to the US. Relations have improved immensely. And the recent visit to China. So I think Pakistan's relationship with each country has a unique nature. So one relationship cannot be at the cost of another relationship. And I think that's where the success of our foreign policy lies, and that's how we plan to go into the future, with a very, very robust, with a very, very effective and very practical foreign policy, which will not only give respect to Pakistan, Pakistanis the world over, but which will also help us to take our economy to new heights, so the life of an average Pakistani can also improve. And I see that happening, inshallah ta'ala, in the very near future. I will keep on talking because that's what politicians do. We don't listen, we keep talking. So on that note, I'd like to thank you very much for this opportunity. And I hope that I could shed light upon all relevant issues related to our recent rise with regard to the May war and the post-war scenario. And I'm always delighted to be here at this forum. And thank you very much for taking up these issues and taking them up at the right time. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan Zindabad.